scientists have harnessed the power of artificial intelligence, AI, to unearth a groundbreaking antibiotic capable of eliminating a lethal strain of superbug. By employing AI, researchers were able to narrow down an extensive pool of potential chemical compounds to a select few that could undergo laboratory testing. The outcome was the creation of a potent experimental antibiotic named aborcin, which will require further evaluation before its practical application. Scientists from Canada and the United States assert that AI possesses the capacity to expedite the process of discovering novel drugs, exemplifying how artificial intelligence serves as a transformative force within the realms of science and medicine. Dear viewers, Slant News TV is currently engaged in an ardent pursuit of achieving its inaugural milestone of 1,000 subscribers. We earnestly implore your wholehearted support by subscribing to our channel. Countering the menace of superbugs, antibiotics serve as bacteria killers. Nonetheless, the dearth of new antibiotics over the past decades has contributed to the escalating challenge of treating bacteria, which have gradually developed resistance to existing drugs. Alarming statistics indicate that more than 1 million individuals succumb annually to infections that defy treatment through antibiotics. Focusing their efforts on Acinetobacter baumannii, one of the most problematic bacteria species, the researchers sought to address its capacity to infect wounds and cause pneumonia. Identified as a critical threat by the World Health Organization, this resilient bacterium can withstand multiple antibiotics, posing a significant problem in healthcare settings like hospitals and care homes where it can persist on surfaces and medical equipment. The initial step in discovering a new antibiotic involved training the AI system. Researchers administered thousands of drugs with known chemical structures to Acinetobacter baumannii, meticulously observing their impact on the bacterium's growth and viability. The acquired data was then fed into the AI, enabling it to discern the chemical characteristics of drugs capable of combating the problematic bacterium. Subsequently, the AI was tasked with evaluating a list of 6,680 compounds of uncertain effectiveness. The remarkable results, published in Nature Chemical Biology, revealed that the AI required a mere hour and a half to generate a shortlist of potential antibiotics. Of the 240 compounds tested in the laboratory, 9 demonstrated promise, among which aborcin emerged as an exceptionally potent antibiotic. Laboratory experiments demonstrated aborcin's ability to treat infected wounds in mice and effectively eradicate A. baumannii strains obtained from patients. Nevertheless, Dr. Jonathan Stokes emphasized that the journey has only just begun, underscoring the need to refine the drug in the laboratory and proceed with rigorous clinical trials. He anticipates that AI-generated antibiotics may not be available for prescription until around 2030. Interestingly, this experimental antibiotic displayed no impact on other bacterial species, exerting its effect solely on A. baumannii. Unlike many antibiotics that indiscriminately kill bacteria, aborcin's precision may impede the emergence of drug-resistant strains and reduce the incidence of side effects. In principle, AI has the potential to screen millions of prospective compounds, a feat that would be impractical to accomplish manually. Dr. Stokes stated that AI enhances the rate, and in a perfect world, decreases the cost, with which we can discover these new classes of antibiotics that we desperately need. Having initially tested the principles of AI-assisted antibiotic discovery on E. coli in 2020, the researchers have now focused their efforts on combating formidable pathogens. Their future endeavors will examine Staphylococcus aureus and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. This finding further supports the premise that AI can significantly accelerate and expand our search for novel antibiotics, remarked Professor James Collins of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. He expressed excitement about the potential of AI in combating problematic pathogens like A. baumannii. Here concludes the latest news bulletin. You can find detailed articles from reputable global news sources in the description below for further examination and verification of the news. Thank you all for watching the news.